welcome to this video, guys. So today I'm going to show you how I make money from forex trading. Yes, this little secret that some traders are not going to give you out for free, but I want to give it to you out for free. Yes, because as I make money from the market, I also want another person to also benefit from this market. Yes. So today I'm going to be teaching you my strategy, what I use or what I put in place to make sure I make money from this market. Yes, remember that this market, you need to be very, very patient. Yes, patience in forex trading is also a strategy. Yes, it's also a strategy that people overlook. Yes, so what I trade basically is just structure and liquidity. That's just it. I stick to one strategy, not the one that you trading structure and liquidity, you be trading resistance and support, you trading all kind of strategy. When you are trading different strategy, at the end you are going to get confused. You will not be focused. Yes, you will not even be consis ten t, and this has to do with consis ten cy, focus and discipline. So it's not just about chasing trades. Yes, you wait for the market to bring to you the opportunity, then you use the opportunity to get money. Yes. So this is a live session. Yes, and today you can see today is Wednesday. This is a live session, and you can see market is moving bit by bit. So I'm going to show you what I do, how I analyze my charts on this trading view. Yes, so this is what I do. Normally I'm going to take my line tool here. You can see this is a trend line tool. I'll just click on it, then I'll draw a line from here, from this point to this point here. Yes, so now I drawing this line here from this point A to this point B. Now there's what you call break of structure. Yes, now when you have price do this, okay, let me use this tool, this part too. Now whenever you see price doing this, you have something like this, then you have something like this.